Welcome to Maker Store's Product Focus series. Today, we're taking a look at the 40 series end fastener Type A. This fastener is designed to create a clean, hidden 90-degree connection between 40 series aluminium extrusions. Instead of using external brackets, everything is secured internally, giving your build a much more professional and streamlined finish. Installation is simple. A hole is drilled through the end of the extrusion, allowing the bolt to pass through and tighten into the fastener clip. Once secured, the entire connection is hidden inside the profile. The fastener clip features integrated tabs that sit inside the T-slot. These help prevent rotation and keep the joint aligned during assembly. This makes it a reliable option for structural frames, CNC builds, and automation setups where both strength and appearance matter. It's commonly used in workstations, machine frames, and custom builds where you want to keep the outside surfaces clean for panels or accessories. If you're after a strong, low-profile connection without bulky brackets, this is a solid solution. For more information, visit the Maker Store website and follow us for more product focus videos.